You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how to pronounce the name of this city in South Africa? Well, the truth of the matter is that there are two different correct pronunciations. So locally, when speaking Afrikaans, locally in the city in South Africa, a lot of people refer to it as Johannesburg, Johannesburg, with a Y sound replacing the J sound. But in English, J is pronounced J, so the international accepted pronunciation in English is Johannesburg. In British English, Johannesburg, or in the US and American English, they say it as Johannesburg. Here you have it. Three pronunciations: Johannesburg, Johannesburg, Johannesburg. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.